Good morning or good afternoon, not morning, everybody. Glad to be back this afternoon. We got very few people in the chat, but we got Bobcat Bro first in the chat. What's going on, Dark Bro? FIRSTSECOND. Dark Bro, Moji, Dark Bro, Kenneth, Moji. Good afternoon, everybody. And by everybody, I mean Bobcat Bro, Dark Bro, Moji, Kenneth, and Jeffrey. Glad to have you guys in here right now. Let's check the market out, see what is going on. We have got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen closing $7.80. I want to see, is this the second all-time low close? What do we got here? No. We had maybe 2 or 3 days below this level right here, and that is it. We are near all-time lows in AMC, and it's not looking good to you or me. Gosh, dude, I'm just channeling my inner Dr. Seuss right now. I'm loving it. All right, what do we got? We got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, closing at $7.81 today. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $730 points per coin, not $7. Don't get too excited. GameStop, $17.55, down 3.68% of the day today. Tesla, $265.28 at the close, a 3.32% loss on the day today. NASDAQ, barely scraping back to break even, sitting 0.01% higher, or a 1.90 point gain. Dogecoin, 6.18 cents. Ethereum, 16.39. Shib, 730 points per coin. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to. It wasn't even doing it until I just came back up here, and it was starting to do it earlier. I'm gonna turn the brightness down a little bit on that. I don't know what the heck's going on, but my like right eye was wanting to twitch earlier, and now it's wanting to do it again. And I don't know if it's because of this brightness or what the deal is. Did not do it at all during the break. So I turned the brightness down a little bit. Sorry about that if it looks a little different, but I don't want to lose my eyesight, so we're just going to roll with that for today. And if I got to turn it down even more, I think there's only one notch, if any, below that. Back to the stocks. Bitcoin, 26,815. The SPY, 443.64. QQQ, 370. QQQ ending barely above break even today, following the NASDAQ just slightly higher. Mullen Auto, 60 cents, down 11% on the day. Sundial, 202, falling 6% on the day. Netflix, $394. Hycroft Mining, sitting at 34.27 cents. MPW, $6.10. Tesla, $265.28. Joby sitting at $6.83, and TMC sitting at $1.15. We're gonna watch Bitcoin play out at the bottom. I gotta ask you guys, I am highly considering buying that T2024 coin. It's looking pretty strong today. Did any of you guys look into buying it, or did any of you guys buy it during the break or earlier? I don't know if Kombu is the only one that has it in here, or what the deal is, but it is looking pretty strong on the day today. I've been wanting to download MEXC Global anyway, so I may download MEXC and get into that after the live stream here. But did anybody use it? Or did anybody buy it? I mean, it's looking decently strong. The graph is still looking... Nope, wrong one. Graph is still looking good. I ain't paying them gas. You know, I don't blame you. I don't blame you for not paying the gas. If you don't want to play ball, but you might be able to get it on MEXC Global without paying gas, Dark Bro. If you don't want to go DeFi, if you want to go MEXC, you might be able to go MEXC Global there. So looking at it, I'm not paying 130. Yeah, well, you're not going to pay 134 if you buy on MEXC. They're just it's just going to be exchange fees that you pay on there. But, dude, it's looking... I mean, there's no trading view, which, okay, I get it. But, dude, if you're looking at this graph right here, and it is down a little bit from where it was earlier, but it is following a very nice curve right now. And if it continues to follow this trend line, if it doesn't break down and just lose steam, I mean, we were looking at it. It's got a market cap right now, 1.17 million. It had a market cap of 600,000 when we were looking at it earlier. So this T2024 coin is not looking bad at the moment. I just didn't know if anybody else was jumping in on it or not. But yeah, man, I remember, okay, and the only reason I'm half tempted to get in on it is because who was it? Was it Ken or who? You know what? It might have been Michael Corleone. Ryan. Might have been Ryan Davis, man. Might have been Ryan that brought it up. I forget who first brought up Pepe. But, dude, you guys brought Pepe to our attention when it was sitting at a $10 million market cap, right? Then it ran to $100 million. Nobody wanted to buy it because it was already too expensive by then. Then it ran to $1 billion market cap. We had the opportunity to 100x. We don't need to go out there and drop 10 grand on T2024 coin or anything like that. But I'm telling you, man, some of these things, they just catch on fire. And if T2024 is one that does it, I don't necessarily want to miss out on those gains. Mind-bogglingly massive, crypto suddenly braced for a Fed shock that could actually pump the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and XRP. Well, Kenneth, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What would they be shocking us with, though? Coming Wednesday with the interest rate decision, shocking us by lowering interest rates? Is that what the article or whatever you're quoting there is talking about? How many zeros they got? Circulating supply. 700 trillion is the circulating supply. So it's more than Shiba Inu coin. I don't know what 771.95 is. I don't know if that has any significance to DT here or not. But 771.95 is the circulating supply. Everything is in circulation right now. Current zeros. Hold on, I gotta count them, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros and a 185 right now. 8 zeros and a 185. Extremely low price. Actually, this morning it would have had 9 zeros. And this morning when we were looking at it, it would have had 9 zeros and an 8. Because people were looking at it this morning during the live stream. 9 zeros and an 8 right here. So currently 8 zeros and a 1. J-Bones! 27 months, bro. First 27 months ago. Boom, boom, pow, baby. Very nice, J-Bones. Oh, I'm loving it, dude. 27 months ago, this dude grabbing that green name, and he has had a green name ever since. J-Bones, man. I'm loving it right now. And, yeah, dude, you are the longest standing bro in here, so you got some bragging rights, man. I'll take it on that one. Oh, heck yeah. I'm all in. Let's get started. So, yeah, if you guys do want to, or if you're thinking about it, I don't know. I don't know why CoinMarketCap isn't necessarily updating a little bit. I've got MEXC. Do not have an account with MEXC, but I've got MEXC up just so I could see it trading, and it is currently trading at 13 points per coin as opposed to the 18 points per coin that CoinMarketCap is showing right here, 12 points per coin. CoinMarketCap is showing 1856 right now, but CoinMarketCap's not moving. It's currently sitting at 12.1 points per coin, up 1,200% on the day today. So, yeah, I haven't created an account or anything like that yet, but I am considering getting in. Look, dude, you lose on it, you just don't lose everything. If you gain on it, you make some serious money. Congrats, J-Bones. Oh, yeah. So I was talking 2024, turning into a Pepe. Oh, gotcha. All right, Kenneth, good deal, man. I was like, 2024. T2024, turning into a Pepe. I'm like, all right, so is there a new Pepe coming out in 2024? No, I'm catching on, man. I'm a little slow, but we got it. Where we going? Show off. Nice, brother. It is beautiful. Jabe, dude, I'm going to tell you this right now, man. I never thought anybody would keep a membership for 27 months. I truly hope you guys know the green names, the super chats, the fun, the live streams, all of this is absolutely incredible. The J-Bones, for real, man. Without getting weird, man, you're a bro. You're a bro for sure. Because I never thought anybody would want to keep a name for over 2 years. That's nuts, dude. Question, is it wrong wanting Shibarium to fall flat and fail? And if it does, will it negatively affect Shib? So, Jeffrey, I'll say this, man. Yes, It is wrong to want something to fail like that. Now, it doesn't, it's a tough one, okay? Because I would rather see Shibarium successful and the ecosystem team just admitting that they were wrong, right? And if Shibarium is successful and they can in some way actually integrate Shiba Inu coin burns, we're both going to win in that situation. Now, if the ecosystem team is so greedy or so self-centered that they absolutely ignore those that they're essentially building for, then it gets a little weird, man, okay? Because at that point in time, they were essentially admitting they do not care about Shiba Inu coin. And if that's the case, dude, it's a tough situation, right? I don't want to wish bad on anybody. I would rather see us all succeed. But at the same time, man, I'm not going to wish that a thief has a easy heist. I'm not going to hope that a criminal gets away with anything. I'm not going to hope that some sort of a scammer does a good job today. So, in a sense, it's just up to you, man. I don't know. If they're really trying to defy the Shiba Inu coin community, I believe that they will fall on their face. I believe that they will fail. Now, all they have to do is admit that they didn't intend to burn Shiba Inu coin, and either change that or stop marketing to the Shib community. I get it, man. If you want to build your own ecosystem with bone and leash and treat and all that stuff, build it. But you can't necessarily take advantage of people. That's where I draw my line. I don't want to see anybody taken advantage of. And I believe right now that they're taking advantage of the Shiba Inu coin community. So it's up to you, man. I try to wish the best in all situations because I wouldn't want anybody wishing that I fail. But, dude, people wish you failed all the time, and you just got to prove them wrong. Why is YouTube hiding you now? I have no clue. Night Cow, it's strange, man. I'll tell you this. I do believe that there was a period a couple of months ago where YouTube did just this. I was getting like 600 to 800 subscribers a month because I was losing like 1,000 plus subscribers a month based on YouTube, I know, making people unsubscribe. August was a decent month. I believe they stopped that in August, and I got like 1,800 subscribers. The videos were being seen. Everything was looking nice. And I really, truly feel like we're doing it again. I haven't gained a single subscriber in the last like 8 or 9 days. So I do believe that YouTube is, to some degree, hiding my channel. I don't know why, but I will say this. And I don't know if they've got their channels back yet, but Levi, the Crypto King, the kid that made a lot of videos on Terra Luna Classic, the kid that runs that Blaze token and was burning Shib for a while, stopped, realized he needed to burn Shib if he was going to be popular, and then came back. They deleted his YouTube channel just outright. And there's another kid that I saw on Twitter. They deleted his YouTube channel outright. So I have no idea why YouTube does the stuff that they do. I don't know if those guys were talking about stuff they shouldn't be talking about or what the deal is. But Night Cow, it is bizarre, man. It truly is. And they don't tell you why either. They don't tell you why. Gas fee got lowered to about $66 for $100. $100 buy on T2024. Dark Bro, thank you very much for keeping us updated on that. Now, Dark, let me ask you this. If you were to go out there and buy $200 worth of T2024, is it still going to be about $66 on that? Because if you're buying $100, man, $66 gas fee, it is too much. It is too much to go out there and buy that coin on Ethereum. Big games tonight, Gorilla. Hey, how did I end up doing? Did I win? Did I beat Dark Bro? Or did Dark Bro beat me? Talking about fantasy football, by the way. I didn't even check. Nah, looks like Dark Bro won, man. Looks like Dark Bro won. Unless I got people playing tonight. I don't know if I got people playing tonight or if he's got people playing tonight, but Dark Bro, very nicely done if you did beat me, man. I don't actually know if the game is over yet or if anybody has anybody playing tonight, but looks like you got more points than me. Very nicely done, Dark Bro. Clay, do you know anything on Dorkle Crypto? Listen, the only thing I've seen one thing on Dorkle. We can look at it here, but I just saw one post about it today. I didn't even know if it was a real thing or not, so let's see if we can find it right here and see what we got. DORKL Dork Lord Crypto. Nah, I don't know anything about this, man. I know nothing. If this is the crypto, I know nothing about this. So it's lost about 90% of its value over the last 10 days. But I don't know anything about this, man. I don't know whose coin it is. I don't know why people are talking about it. It's done nothing but lose money. It's gone from like 10 million to or 20 million to $2 million market cap. Not a clue why. I don't know what it is. Let's see, you guys smoked. I didn't get smoked, Moji. I lost by like 10 points, man. You got a new definition of smoked out there, I guess. Susan, YouTube. ETH gas fees, it's crazy. Probably because you're no drinking their Kool-Aid and tell it like it is. That's the tough part, man. You know, I will try to walk a fine line in respecting their rules and stuff. I have no problem doing that. But at the same time, you know, I can't bend my beliefs to fit somebody else's beliefs either. You guys are all intelligent enough to know if we're using, like, I get it, okay? They might not like DT 2024. They might not like that. Okay, a lot of people don't like it, but it doesn't mean that you can't make money on T 2024 coin, or lose money. I mean, you can lose on both. But yeah, man, I ain't bowing down to nobody on that one. Let's Shib crash. Leave the burner open. I want to see 4 again. This time, we'll burn the heck out of it on the way back up and watch the price soar. Kenneth, man, I don't want it to go that far down while I'm holding it. I would rather get out before it adds that many zeros and then get back in. Let's see. Giovanni says, Clay, I'm really tired of other channels talking about Shib going up because of Shibarium. Like, if Shibarium is ever going to burn Shib, if Shiba is successful, it's going to be because of the community. Giovanni, I 100% agree with you. I'll say this, dude. What I've noticed with AMC, Shiba Inu coin, and all of that, you do become more popular if you tell people what they want to hear, as opposed to telling people either the truth or facts of the matter and letting them decide their own fate. Everybody wants to believe in Aaron because it's their only way out. That's their only chance of making $100 million a share. Everybody wants to believe in Satoshi because we've seen 2 years worth of declines now. If Satoshi's not going to take us higher, how do we get higher? You know, nobody's running T 2024 coin right now, but it's up 2,000% of the day. So people forget very quickly during bear markets that people are just willing to buy stuff because they want to buy it. It doesn't need to have a huge infrastructure. It doesn't need an ecosystem and all of that. And they cannot bring themselves to believe that they would have gotten scammed by Satoshi or they would have lied to by somebody they trust and somebody that they look up to. So, yeah, dude, I don't know. I mean, I don't have a problem with other people posting, like, Hopium-style content if that's their go-to. But, and they know that people don't want to watch a video where they say, well, you actually might lose some money, or they are not doing what they said they're going to be doing. People don't want to watch that. I just don't want them lying to people, right? So if you start to see them saying that Shibarium is burning Shiba Inu coin, no, it's not. No, it's not. If you see them saying Shibarium is going to burn Shiba Inu coin, not with the current fees, only if they raise the fees. There's no burns that will ever take place on Shibarium. We're not going to reach 8.5 quadrillion tokens. And even, look, we did the numbers. IBM is doing, 775 Bree guy showed us earlier, IBM's doing 775,000 transactions a second. Okay? That gets you a quadrillion transactions in 46 years. Now, that's nuts. We would have to, it's 775,000 transactions a second. 45 years, I don't know, times 8. We would have to wait over 300 years for the very first burn transaction to take place at the current fees. And we cannot achieve that because it is only scaled to give us 65,000 transactions a second. If we maxed out capacity, it would take 3,000 plus years with maximum capacity at 65,000 transactions a second every second for the next 3,000 years before we saw the first burn. That's not me saying that stuff, man. Those are the numbers. People know the numbers, but people don't want to hear the numbers. So $200 trade gets you a $98, $118 gas fee. Yeah, you got to buy it on MEXC Global then, man. You got to buy that stuff on MEXC. You can't be paying gas fees like that. Dark bro, that's insane, man. Retired, chilling on an island with a bad mamacita. Luca! What is going on, Luca? I'm like, now this sounds pretty familiar to me, man. Sitting on a beach with a bad mamacita. What's going on, Luca? You hanging out with your uncle again? Is that what's going on there? Dude, it has been forever since I've seen you in here. Glad to have you, Luca. Federal Aviation Administration all day, Moji. I don't like bubbles, and the Federal Aviation Administration, he was never meant to be a factor in what we wanted with AMC. Night Cow, I 100% agree with you. Somewhere along the line, I don't know why, I don't know how, people shifted their focus, and they were essentially deceived. Levi had a lot of people talking about the 2024 election. I said in a live and in the Discord that you have to watch what you're saying. Gotcha. All right. Yeah, Kenneth, look, dude, that might actually have something to do with it then. That might have something to do with it. And look, you guys can discuss that stuff all the time. I have no problem with it and anything like that. If you're going to do so, though, please, man, for my sake, just try to use some code words or something. Oh, and be respectful to each other. I know some of you guys like people. Some of you guys don't like people. So just keep it respectful. Prefer you do it in the Discord, right? I prefer you do it somewhere that's not going to freak out about it, but yeah, it's nuts, man. And, as always, my Shib is long-term. I don't need that money that's in there. Night Cow, I feel you on that, dude. I got some Zcash. I'm never even gonna touch it. Well, maybe I'll touch it one day. I don't know. If it goes to 1,000, if it goes to $1 million a coin, clearly I'm gonna touch it. But, yeah, I got some Zcash that's just sitting steady. I'm too tired of seeing videos of the 1 cent Shiba Inu dream. Even I, a beginner, know that to reach this dream is impossible, especially with those burns. Yeah, Claudio, it's true, man. So, 1 cent, it is a possibility in certain situations, but a supply reduction has to be a situation, okay? Supply reduction has to be a situation. The only other way to reach a level like that is if the United States turned into Venezuela and we've got 300% inflation rates and our dollar becomes worthless and then it increases the price, therefore, of Shiba Inu coin versus our dollar because the dollar becomes worthless. So, yeah, but, I mean, you pretty much got to ruin the world to get Shiba Inu coin to a penny or ruin the supply of Shib. 3,000 years. Aru Basu. Yeah, man, think about that. Maxing out 65,000 transactions per second, maxing that bad boy out, and it's going to take you about 3,000 years to burn the first Shiba Inu coin. Based on the numbers that I was looking at earlier and trying to do some quick math in my head, based on what we were seeing about IBM's transactions. Dude, Outdoor Smile, one day, man, one day, Outdoor Smile, I'm going to hang out with you, and I'm going to tell you all about my Zcash and how it was the best idea ever to hold on to that Zcash. You know I will. Clay, if you had 10,000 to invest, what cryptos would you invest in? Giovanni, man, right now I would probably put the majority in things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, maybe some Lumens, possibly even USDT, okay, because I'm not sure that we're near a bottom yet, so I don't know if I would necessarily deploy all of it right now, but I would stick to some of the bigger guys. Why? During this bear market, right, I do believe that the altcoins will surpass and outperform Bitcoin and potentially Ethereum and so on in a bull market. But right now, the way that I picture this happening, this next bull market cycle happening, is one of the catalysts is going to be a Bitcoin spot ETF approval. And that's going to trigger some institutional inflows. They're not going to rush in to buy Shib. Okay, they're not going to rush in to buy Dogecoin when that happens. They're going to be rushing in to buy Bitcoin. So I do think that the shorter term, I guess, price predictions, I would say that Bitcoin has a very good chance of outpacing the altcoins because institutions are going to flow into Bitcoin before they do the altcoins based on the ETFs. Same deal with retail investors. Once things begin to pick up, and these ETFs do come to be, I think Bitcoin is going to outpace the altcoins gains because we're going to be seeing these ETFs. And if that's the case, Bitcoin's a little bit safer and potentially outpacing the gains in the altcoin market. Now, from there, once confidence begins to return to the overall market and you really see gains starting to take off, that's when I would kind of deploy and move some of it over into the riskier assets like Shib, Doge, literally anything on else down the line, man. It doesn't have to. We just talk about Shib and Doge so often in here, but that's when I would be a little bit more comfortable with Lumens and Polygon and XRP and all of these other tokens that are out there. But right now, I think what we're going to be seeing during the next cycle in this transition is Bitcoin seeing it first. I believe that Ethereum will get an ETF as well. Okay, I believe Ethereum will get an ETF as well. So that's why I wouldn't mind diversifying between those two of them and adding some other ones as well. You don't have to go all in on Bitcoin or all in on Bitcoin and ETH. But that's where I would start. I think this next cycle is going to start with Bitcoin and then move into the crazier little guys. Yeah, my uncle held AMC all the way down under his average. It's sad what Adam Aaron did. I was up over 200,000 at 70, but I ended up selling at around 30, and it was done with. It sucks. We never get to see the squeeze. Yeah, Luca, it's crazy. And congratulations, man. Congratulations if you got out at 30. That is incredible, man. That is you did excellent. You did excellent. She was dead, bro. Serious. They use it as a cash grab. Guiba show. I don't know if Shiba is dead, okay? I'll say Shiba's dead when the community leaves it. I think that the ecosystem is kind of being brought to light. I do think that part of the statement is true. But until I see the community leaving Shib, a lot of people can't differentiate between Shiba and the ecosystem. That's the hard part. And you do have to understand that Shib is not Bone. Shib doesn't benefit from Bone, and Bone benefits from Shib, actually. So as soon as people start to differentiate that, I actually think that Shib could do very well. It's just that only if the community stands behind it. We will meet on Fantasy Island. Paid for you and brought to you in part by Zcash Games. What is Lumens? Is it Terra Luna Classic? No. XLM. What is that? She's Ellie Emmy. She's Ellie Emmy. Claudio. Do you think Crowcoin is a safe bet? I do. Yeah, Guiba show, man. I think that all of these exchanges that stay around during the bear market are going to perform phenomenally during the bull market, man. And for some reason, I don't know why, but for some reason, Crypto.com has never been targeted or mentioned by the SEC. I don't know if they're paying off the mafia or what the deal is, but they never seem to get mentioned with any problems. And Chris, whatever his last name is, the CEO of Crypto.com, recently tweeted out, man, that they're looking for companies to acquire during this bear market. If you're a small crypto company and you want to be acquired by them, they're looking to buy up during this bear market so that they can be better positioned during the bull market when they know people will be actively trading again. And the more that people trade, the more money they will make and the higher Crow will go. So yeah, I do think it's going to be doing very well, but not until people are signing up like crazy to use cryptocurrency exchanges. Cosmos token sounds very promising. Yeah, Claudio, it very well could be, man. I think a lot of the coins are going to do well during the bull market, but if you think it sounds promising, just don't go all in on one coin. That's the one. And yes, bull run looks tasty and beyond. It does, man. How is that the price of Ethereum gas? How is it the price of the Ethereum gas fees can be so high? Why does Ethereum gas fees fluctuate between projects? Is the gas fee for Shiba and Bone different? I don't even think you will be able to buy crypto on Shiba. So yes, Ethereum gas fees, I believe, are at the levels that they are because Ethereum is so heavily used now. And it doesn't have a very large transaction per second capacity. I don't know what the transaction per second capacity actually is, but I know it is drastically lower and it's constantly congested. Think about it like, I don't know, New York City traffic or traffic in LA or something like that. And imagine it was only a 2-lane highway. Okay, it is going to be nothing but bumper to bumper traffic 24 hours a day all the time. That's why the Ethereum gas fees are so high, is because its network is so heavily congested. All of these layer 2 networks, they build on top of Ethereum, and then they're like the expressway. They're just new lanes being opened up. The people can zoom, 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 zoom. Nobody's using them, so zoom, 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 zoom. They can do as many transactions per second as they want, and still benefit from the security of the Ethereum blockchain. Now, I don't know how much or if they'll ever be able to improve on Ethereum's transaction per second capabilities. I hope that they can. I don't know if they will. But as far as Shibarium goes, because it's completely, this is layer 1, this is layer 2. This is congested. This has nothing to do with the same congestion. It's on a completely different plane. No congestion there. So that's why Shibarium can charge such lower fees. Polygon can charge such lower fees. And Ethereum is so bogged down. The same thing could happen to these layer 2 networks 10 years down the road. They could be bogged down as well if everybody's using them. Dang, Clip, with 10,000 in Shiba Inu, if Bitcoin goes up to 100,000, I would only put me at 40,000. But Shib goes up to a cent, that would give me 100,000, right? Let's see. If Bitcoin goes up 10,000. Bitcoin goes up to, yes. So if Bitcoin goes up to $100,000, right, you would have $40,000 on your investment. If Shib goes up to 3 zeros and a 1, you are going to be, 10xing from where we're at right now? Are we at 4 zeros? Essentially. I think we're at 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so essentially you're going to be slightly above $100,000. You are correct, Giovanni. Here was my thought process on that, though. Bitcoin may jump back up to 50, 60,000, okay? And Shib kind of just sits around that 1,200, 1,500, maybe 2,000 point per coin range if it's lucky. And then the money begins to flow back into Shiba Inu coin, and that's when it takes off. So I think the gains, the shorter term gains, will outpace Shiba Inu coin. So if Bitcoin doubles in price to 50,000, Shib might jump up to 1,000 points per coin, 1,200 points per coin. If the only reason stuff's moving higher is because institutions are buying into Bitcoin, then you can move it over to Shib. But that's just the way that I was thinking there. Yes, sir, with an $8 average. Boom, baby. Luca absolutely killing it, man. Luca, good job, dude. Seriously. Bitcoin could reach almost 150,000. XRP might blast $500, whereas Ethereum could drop to 1,000, according to the latest price predictions by experts. Dude, that's the thing. I'm going to tell you this. I really don't know if experts should be predicting prices. all of this stuff, yes, possibilities. But if they're putting like time frames on it and saying that this is going to happen by this time, it just makes you look like a weatherman when you're wrong, dude. And nobody wants to listen to a guy that's constantly wrong. $500 XRP might be a little expensive there, but I don't know why Ethereum would drop to 1,000 and everything else would rip like that. Let's see. This is exactly why XRP and others being developed now are so much better driving but listening. Hey, everybody, what's going on? Tim, man, glad to have you. Let's see. Claudio is coming from the bull run. I see XRP going $3 to $6 because this is somewhere uneasy, or still some uneasy people who are looking at it. The institutional money starts coming in. You're looking at $100 plus within the next 5 to 10 years. Boom, baby, boom, baby, boom. I like it. Jesus! So I better grab some more then. Dude, if it goes that high, you're going to wish you did. But Claudio, never overextend yourself, man. All right? Never overextend yourself. Just picture yourself saying, if this all went to zero tomorrow, are you going to cry? Is it going to devastate you if it goes to zero? And if the answer is yes, man, you're really going to need to consider pulling back a little bit. Don't ever invest so much that you would feel devastated by a loss. What does that have to do with the price of tea in China? J-Bones, everything has to do with the price of tea in China these days, man. Oh, no. Claudio, I'll be stacking XRP and XLM for the next couple years to come in. I'm all about that slow and steady when it comes to those. Boom, baby. And T 2024 is going to be making Dark Bro rich in the short term. I buy 250 to 500 every paycheck. Ow, ow, ow. Nice, dude. That's what I can afford. Comfortably afford. There you go. Dark Bro, man. That is excellent. Kent, Ethereum drops to 1,000. Let's get started. Bree guy is going to be buying up at 1,000. Nobody reminded me that it's time for an ad 8 minutes ago. Thank you guys very much for not reminding me. Boom. Got him. Got him. Let me know if you guys got in that. Why they could reach those $100 numbers is because the coin looks promising or because you believe that it is a good coin. Claudio, $100 is not going to be easy, man. Please don't think that's going to be easy. I do think that XRP is a good coin. I do. I think it's a great company with what they're doing right now. I think $1 trillion valuation is where I would put my first major milestone on XRP. I think that that's achievable during the next bull market. And as the years unfold and more people are using Ripple's platform. Let's see. If Bitcoin goes 50 or 60,000 and Shib goes to 14, I double my money either way. So why not leave it in Shib if you invested 10,000? Yes, Giovanni, you're absolutely correct, man. Right? But because I do think that it could outpace it, I think it'll be like 1,200. Okay, I'm just saying there's going to be a slight difference there. The only reason, if you believe that they could both double in a situation like that, the only reason that I would say you should go Bitcoin as opposed to Shiba Inu coin is because I truly believe that Bitcoin is safer. All right, I think that you're going to see less declines in Bitcoin than you would see in Shiba Inu coin. So if you thought that they were both going to gain at the same rate, I would probably say that Shib is more dangerous or riskier than Bitcoin is, and that would be like a determining factor in buying one over the other. If you think that one's going to outpace the other, absolutely. Buy the one that you think would outpace the others, because that's why I see a lot of these Shiba Inu coin whales, these Ethereum whales that go in and buy 100 billion Shib or 1 trillion Shib. It's because I truly believe that they think that Shiba Inu coin's gains will outpace Ethereum or whatever coin that they were holding and traded for Shib. You know, dude, you got Ethereum. If you're sitting on $1 million worth of Ethereum and you're going to see a 1% gain, all right, you can make 10 grand. 10 grand's sick. But if you can see a 10% gain in Shib, it's 100 grand. Clearly, you should go with Shib in that situation right there. If you think that something is going to outpace another coin, look into that coin that you believe is going to outpace there. XRP goes to 500. I will have $500,000. Let's get started. Jeffrey. Now, Jeffrey, be honest with me, man. Would you hold all the way to $500 XRP? I believe that I would have sold before that. So let me know if you would hold all the way to $500 XRP. There's no way I would. Let's see. Bones! Your fantasy football bench, you should have picked Mo instead of Eeny, Meeny, Miny. Yes, that you should have. I don't even know. Dude, nobody knows about the benches, man. Nobody knows. I don't even know what a bench is. If I become a millionaire, my first thing is to help my mom. Then, help some animal shelters here. Then, I can buy a Chevelle, a Super Sport, a 1980. Very nice. Claudio. Hey, man, I like your priorities, dude. I like your priorities a lot. Taking care of your mom, taking care of the animals, and then going out and getting yourself your dream car there, man. Very good. 775 Bree guy, man. I like the ads. Okay, every time you guys watch an ad is about 1/3 of a cent. Dude, you gotta watch so many ads, man, for this money to stack up. It's crazy, dude. It's crazy. You know, you can have a good day trading calls or puts on Tesla and outpace anything that you're going to be making in ad revenue. But I do thank you guys for watching those ads. Truly, man. I know it's annoying to watch a 6-second ad, but at 1/3 of a cent, it stacks. Let's see. Claudio, buy the car first. Outdoor Smile says, forget about your mom. Forget about the animals. Come out there and get you that car, man. Who cares about your mom? You can take her for a ride in the car. And you can point at all the animals in the street. That's what you can do. Fantasy football benches, waivers, free agents, projected points. It's all just malarkey. That it is, man. Pika! Oh, big. Yes! Thank you very much for the super chat. Pika. I don't even know what my eyes looked like that. I tried to turn them into dollar signs. I don't know if they worked. Pika, thank you very much for that super chat. Really appreciate it. And you guys know, it was the first and probably the last super chat of the day. Pika, thank you very much. And hopefully I was able to turn my eyes into dollar signs. I tried. I was thinking about money, but I don't know if it worked or not. I would definitely take some profit along the way. Jeffrey, absolutely, man. I really don't know if I would hold all. Let me say this. Unless I woke up and it was there, I would not be holding all the way to $500 XRP. That's just too far for me. Let's see. You will make more on your ads, and then you're investing in Shib right now. Well, yeah. Just Jeff, dude. I mean, 10 cents. Yeah, like the 10 cents that I would have just made if you guys all watched an ad right there. It's more than I made on Shib, because look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, and it literally hasn't even ticked. If it does tick up, it's going to be more than 10 cents, but it hasn't even ticked in the last 5 minutes there. So you are right on that, Just Jeff. If XRP ever reaches those valuations, it will be a different world. But I do believe that something will happen now. Whether it's adoption or supply decrease, somehow, some way, I do believe it can. Very nice, Dark Bro. For the information you provide, I think only one ad is so little. I suggest 3 or 5. Yeah, I feel like a lot of people would leave the live stream if I was hitting them with 3 ads. And I do want the whole point of the live stream to be as much communication as possible. 3 to 5 ads would probably be a lot during the live stream. But just skip the second one and watch the ad on the way in and watch the ad on the way out. And then you got, there's 6 ads right there if you skip the second one every single time. We can make it happen. Increase exponentially. That's what I want to see. Oh, sister, thanks. What'd she say? Oh, that's for Moji right there. Moji making money. P. Thank you very much. Who's making money on ads like Shiba burn money? Dude, if she, think about that. Yeah, I make, it's like 1/3 of a cent right now. Ads are paying ridiculously low per ad. So, which takes to about, what, half a cent, or 0.06 cent, or 0.6 cents if you guys watch both of the ads there. But, dude, if 250,000 people were watching ads every day, the same as the 200,000 transactions on Shibarium, those numbers would really start to roll. Think about that. If it was 250,000, like the transactions on Shibarium right now, at 1/3 of a cent a piece, you're going to be making some sick money. You're gonna be burning thousands of dollars a day at that point, and that's really gonna stack up. But the Shiba burn money, man, it is not even close to the ad money. You need, in order to burn a penny, you need like a trillion transactions or something ridiculous, man. Hundreds of billions of transactions to burn a penny worth of Shib. It's utter insanity. I mean, nobody would do anything where it takes a quadrillion to stack up any level. That's just nuts. I would buy all of the ads in the world and advertise just for fun if they cost what the Shiba burns. You know what? Now I'm starting to wonder. That's a decent idea, man. What if you could advertise on Shibarium transactions somehow and just simply burn that transaction fee? Somebody think about that for a minute. Would that be possible? Now, I don't know. So somebody think about it for a while. So, for example, I would 10x the burn fee, 100x the burn fee, right? I would literally pay 100 times the burn fee and advertise on every transaction on Shibarium. Okay, so if you could do that, if you could literally get 200,000 ads for a penny, I would do that. Anybody in their right mind would do that. If that's possible to advertise on a Shibarium transaction like that, dude, that could be a game changer specifically for burns. You know what I mean? Like, you don't have to, it doesn't increase your fees at all. It's a completely separate, it's me essentially paying for the burns. Little Clever YouTube logo or whatever on there, and it 100x's the current burn fee. It doesn't do anything for you. You might not even look at it. I don't even care if you look at it. If it costs a penny for 250,000 impressions, I mean, it's incredibly cheap. So, yeah, I don't know if there's a possibility to, but I think that would be an excellent idea. You guys coming up with good ideas all the time, man. Sell XRP at $100. Yeah, Giovanni, I would not blame anybody for selling XRP at $100. And this is for Bronson. We got ourselves a red high-heeled booming wagon wheel. That's a tough emoji one right there. Sell at 50. Giovanni, he's coming down, man. He's coming down. Now he's going to sell at 10. Pika. Clay's getting you a gold Pika skateboard deck. Dude, Outdoor Smile. Outdoor Smile wants to buy the most expensive skateboard deck in the entire world. I'll tell you that. I've never seen a skateboard deck. I don't even think that like a Tony Hawk signed original skateboard would be in the same price range. If I spend money on 4 coins that will rise on the next bull market, can I make 10x on that portfolio, or is it better to put in Ethan Bitcoin? No, Claudio, you can 10x during the next bull market, man. You can 10x during the next bull market. Here's what you want to make sure, though. If you're buying like tiny coins that nobody knows about, T2024 coin, you know this one, we're looking at it earlier, or this Dark Lord coin, right? Dork Lord, whatever it is. If you buy this could go to 0 and not be around during the next bull market. Nobody could be buying it, nobody could care about it, and it will not go up during the next bull market. But if you're buying something like Shiba or Doge or Polygon or XRP and so on, I absolutely think it's got a possibility of going up 10 times in value. I truly do. You just got to be careful that whatever coin you're choosing makes it to the next bull market. I don't think something like this is going to make it to the next bull market. I just don't. $100 XRP would be $54 trillion market cap. Yeah, that's too much, man. It's too much. Is it that much? I don't know if it's that much, is it? Isn't $10 around a $1 trillion market cap? Wouldn't it be a $10 trillion market cap? XRP. 50 So if it goes up to $1, you're talking about $50 billion. It goes up 10, that's $500 billion. $20. No, I think it would be a $5 trillion market cap, Ken. I think it would be a $5 trillion market cap. Not a 50. I think it would be a $5.4 trillion market cap. Yeah, because you get 53 billion outstanding. If you get 53 billion outstanding, $1 takes you to a $53 billion market cap. $10 takes you to $530 billion market cap. $100 is going to take you to a $5.3 trillion market cap. I think there was one too many zeros on there. I'm not, but I'd happily accept one. Yeah, the most expensive skateboard deck I've ever seen in my entire life. That is a fact. Because Border didn't know that. If you skateboarded on this deck, you're insane. Insane. It's now from 10 to 8. Time to strike. Oh my god, Outdoor Smile is nuts. Bitcoin's market cap is $521 billion. Would be half of what Bitcoin is right now. It's a lot, but not 100% impossible. Yeah, I don't think it's impossible, man, because XRP used to be, I think, the third highest market cap out there. And if XRP goes to those levels, I'd expect Bitcoin to be at, $1, $2, $3, $4 trillion. So I'd expect Bitcoin to be rising and well above its current levels anyway. Why do people buy those meme coins? Nope. So Claudio, people buy meme coins simply because they're moving in price. It's 100% price action. It has nothing to do with utility. They buy them because they're going up in value. They essentially buy them because other people are buying them. Hero, is that the BNB version or the ETH version? This one right here, I don't know. If you're talking about XRP, this current contract is showing the BNB version of XRP, if that's what you're talking about. Clay, is Shiba in the top 20 because a lot of holders are in the hole? Meaning, are most waiting just to get their money back? Giovanni. Yes, to a degree, okay? Shiba Inu coin, I don't know where it would be right now if people were profitable on Shiba Inu coin. But at the current levels, I was looking up statistics this morning, only 10% of all holders are making money on Shiba Inu coin right now. Last week, it was 0.12%. So in between like 700 and 750 points per coin, you've got a very large amount of people. Basically below 700 points per coin, nobody's making money on Shiba Inu coin. So knowing that, it is forcing, I believe, a lot of people to hold. If they were profitable right now, they may be selling off, and it would be even lower than it is. So yes, Giovanni, I do believe Shib is still in the top 20 because everybody bought in during that FOMO rally, and everybody's price point to get out is much, much higher than it currently is. Which is why I don't think it's impossible to see Shiba Inu coin moving back up to that, 2,000, 3,000 point per coin range. I don't know if it's going to go much higher than that, but I don't think it's impossible to get there because a lot of people are essentially going to be forced to hold until they get there if they've got that I can't take a loss mentality. Anyone who don't have an AMC trap, fall off the face of the earth. Moji, I have no idea. So here's what I think happens to a lot of people. Once they get out of the loop of coming in and listening to the live stream and stuff, I think it's very easy just not to come back to the live stream. So essentially, if you break the habit of listening to the live, it's pretty much a dead chance that you're not going to be coming back. But for a while, and about the time that he started to become much less active, I don't know who it was, dude. If it was his work or if it was OSHA or who, but they said he's not allowed to listen to headphones. I think he drives like a forklift or something, and they said he's not allowed to wear headphones. So he wasn't able to really listen to the live stream at all when he was at work. And then I did see him on Twitter. So I posted a couple of videos and pictures over the last couple of days of the chipmunks that I've been feeding. And I did see him on Twitter. He was asking if that was Chip Bro. So I know he's still out there. I just don't know if he's allowed to listen to the live stream while he's at work there. Everyone thought crypto was a rug pull scam. Look how many coins 10x. Then look at how much Shiba X. And how come Shiba blasted to infinity and beyond and others just went to the moon and back? Bree guy, magic, man. Magic. That's the only way that I can put it. Something phenomenal happened with Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin, and so on. And then a lot of people did get trapped in it, right? A lot of people are trapped in it now and didn't end up selling on the way back down because it fell so fast and there was so much euphoria surrounding that bull market. But it does take something magical to make a coin go from nothing to a $40 billion market cap. Pika! Thank you very much for the super chat. Pika, I don't know if you're in class or if you're at work right now. Pika says, have an awesome day, everyone. Thank you very much for that. And Pika, you know I absolutely hope the same thing, and I'm going to be saying that same thing in about 3 minutes from now. So Pika wishing everybody an awesome day. You guys better wish Pika an awesome day too. Pika, if you got to go, thank you very much for being in here, and hopefully everybody tells you to have an awesome day as well on your way out. But yeah, Bree guy, man, I don't, it sounds dumb, right? So it sounds dumb to play that off as like something magic, but it does take some sort of a magical touch, man, to like get a multi-million person community to rally around something that has no intrinsic value and buy Shib the way that they bought into Shiba Inu coin and to stay in Shib, not coming all the way back down from the moon and all of that. And maintaining billions of dollars in valuation, that's pure magic as well, dude. Hello, bro. Have you ever heard of a Pogai token? Do you think it has potential? I've not. P-O-G-A-I. Never heard of this one. P-O-G-A-I. Now, I don't know why it says it's got a $0 market cap. I would say that it's got better than a $0 market cap. But what I do like is that since the June bottom here, the volume is high on this token. But since the bottom, it's been hitting higher highs. So as long as this isn't some sort of, I don't know, scam or rug pull or something, it seems to be on some big exchanges. It's not doing a ton of volume, but it's not that small either. It's not something that I would invest all your money into. Let's put it that way. It has been stair-stepping up nicely. Clearly, it did very well back in May of 2023 here. This is that Pepe effect, right? Everybody was buying everything because Pepe was running. People were 10, 20, 30, 40, 100xing on a lot of meme coins back in May. The thing that I like, Pepe actually is continuing to hit lower lows here, but this coin is slowly stair-stepping its way back up. So, does it have potential? I have no idea, but the graph doesn't look that bad from what's going on. 8-ball question. Will Claybro make more money on ads than Scambarium burns Shib? Well, dude, if the 8-ball doesn't answer this one, I think something's wrong. I know the answer to this one. Am I going to earn more money on burn or on ads than Shibarium will burn Shib? Well, dude, my sources say no. So I don't know if the 8-ball misunderstood this or if Satoshi hacked my 8-ball here, but the sources say no on this one. And it slowly disappeared into nowhere. And that was kind of creepy. It slowly disappeared into nothing on that. But 8-ball thinking we're going to have some burns, Tim. 8-ball's thinking we got some burns. Oh, man. I got to go later, guys. Next level, later to you. Guys, it is 5 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to be doing some shout-outs. We will be back later tonight with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m., Make sure to watch those. Put them on loop, guys. You guys know that views are down drastically right now. We continue to push through, and we will maintain our portfolios, and we will definitely be here during the bull market. Claudio, you're included, man. You're going to make it to the bull market with us. Let's do these shout-outs, and we'll be back later, guys. Outdoor Smile, enjoy your evening. Moji, Outdoor. We got Dark Bro, Next Level, Outdoor. 775 Bree Guy, Next Level, Dark Bro, Kenneth. We got Gorilla, Outdoor, Dark Bro. Oh, my gosh. Constantinius Maximus, man. Enjoy your day. We got Tim. See you later, man. The 8-ball was made in China and owns bone. It does, Tim. Jeffrey, man. See you later. It rigged. Outdoor Smile. It is rigged on that 8-ball there. Bobcat, bro. Bye-bye to you, man. Name in the chat. I like it. Just Jeff. You listen. Claudio. See you later. Dark Bro. Never ignore. Hold on, bro. One last thing to check. BNB version of Dork Lord. Oh, Dork Lord. Yeah, I don't know which version that was. That was the Ethereum version there. Let's see. D-O-R-K. This one. Yeah, it's still, I mean, it's still down on the day today, Dark Bro. Still down 12% of the day today. Down just as big. Dork Lord version right here. $15,000 market cap overall. $6,000 traded. This is the BNB version right here. So still down heavily over the last couple of weeks and only sitting at a $15,000 market cap. Dark Bro, man, peace out to you. Claudio, thank you for being in here. Appreciate it, guys. Kenneth, Clay needs a sponsor versus that. Yeah, that might be true, Kenneth. Kenneth, man, see you later. Old Rounder, adios to you. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, 775 Bree guys. Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Nope. Oh, man. This dude doesn't even leave a single comment all day, and he comes in with a nope. Oh, my gosh. Pudgy, not a single comment all day, and you come in with a nope. Oh, no, dude. Who even thought you were in here right now? Pudgy. Thank you very much for the super chat, man. Absolutely appreciate it. I guess Pudgy is the sponsor for the stream today. Pudgy, thank you very much for sponsoring the stream. I don't know if Pudgy's got a channel. I don't know if he's got a Twitter account or what the guy's got. But make sure to follow Pudgy because he has sponsored the live stream for today. Claudio, Dark Bro, Claudio, Kenneth. We got Old Rounder, 775 Bree Guy, Dark Bro, Tim, Pudgy, 775 Bree Guy, Next Level. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.